Hello, this is MindPHP. Today I'll teach you on how to use the code that will save data into database. So let's download this. Look for third saving data into database, and below we have this installation file. Click it and it will download. So let's transfer it on our desktop. Let's extract this one. And on our controllers, let's open the file host and copy the function save. On our controllers, paste it also here. So let's go to our models, and on the host.php file, open it and copy the function save. And also on our actual, let's go to our models and open the host.php and paste it here. So this will be the function that will save the data, and also the function get form that it will get the form like here. So let's try to save data. Sample1 and save. Oh, it's required. So 184 USA, 192 USA, and sample database save. So save successfully. Let's check this on our database. So on our hosting database, let's go to our NB hosting companies, and here's the data. So it's working very fine. Thank you.